Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to recover deleted Instagram messages. Now, let's explore the commonly suggested method for recovering deleted messages on Instagram and determine if they are effective. Method 1. Request Instagram data. Some suggest that you can recover deleted messages on Instagram by requesting your data from the app. Here's how to do it. Open the Instagram app and navigate to your profile. Tap on the menu icon, which is represented by three horizontal lines located in the top right corner. Now, tap on Accounts. Follow the prompts to confirm your request. And wait for Instagram to process your request and send you an email with a link to download your data. Method 2. Check the downloaded data. Once you receive the email with your Instagram data, follow these steps. Launch the Instagram app, navigate to your profile, extract the downloaded file to access its contents, and look for the folder or file related to messages or chats. Open the folder or file to view its contents. Unfortunately, this method does not include deleted chats or messages in the downloaded data. It only provides a copy of your current account data with existing messages and chats. And method 3, access data and find deleted IG messages. After extracting the downloaded Instagram data, you can begin searching for the deleted messages. Locate the folder where you extracted the downloaded file. Go to File Manager and look for Instagram. Look for the Messages folder and open it. Inside the Messages folder, navigate to Inbox and find a folder with the name of the user whose messages you want to recover. Open the folder and find message.html file. Double-click on that to open your web browser. And the file will display all the sent and received messages with that particular user. Now that you have accessed the downloaded data, you can review the messages and retrieve the deleted Instagram text. You have the option to copy and paste the messages to another location, take screenshots, or capture the screen. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos, and see you guys for the next video.